Welcome back to the channel. What we have here is a wall that gets constantly kicked by my younger son, and it leaves dirty marks on the wall, and people who are sitting at the benches, the chairs, usually kicking the wall. So my wife had a good idea to mimic what I put in the dining room and place that here in the countertop. We're putting up some wall paneling in a walnut color. So what I'm doing here is attaching it with 5/8 inch screws that are possible, 5 inch diameter. No, the diameter of these they're really thin, but they're about an inch and a half long, so they're able to go through the 3/4 foam board, felt board in the back, and attached to the drywall. What's an actual? Actual is actually how far is it to the socket that I would need to cut out. So let's cut out the middleman of the tape measure. Let's see if this works. Do that. Do the cover. Grab the panel. Put the panel up on it. Line it up. Push. And hopefully pull the cover off. Like that. And then I'll go cut.
Up into the sky, like that television. I don't ever look down at the competition. You can't bring me down, this ain't long division. I don't wonder about love, it's a superstition. I do my cares away, gotta come to movements, ain't on the way. If you're feeling real good, then I relate. If you're in the ball, then I'm safe. I got a new best species, but I'm gonna leave it. If you're in the mood for grooving, I'll be your DJ. Yeah, I'm always looking up, never down. I bury my cares in the ground. You in luck, I'm in town. If you lost, baby, come and get found. Always looking up, never down. Keep my head in the clouds. Got this love that I found, and it's never ever running out. Can't tell 'em what's up. I ain't getting bamboozled. Call me kick rocks, I got steel toe boots. Don't flip around the block. I done found a loophole. Still show up with a new groove like I'm Cusco. On that good, it's on the way. I keep real pain when I grip the strap. I let it single like fish fillet. And I gotta ride it in when I eat the way.
So now we're gonna drill some holes and prepare for the jigsaw to cut holes in. So when you flip it over, we're gonna know where the holes are. Now I'm gonna outline it again with the tape, just so that when I cut up the jigsaw that we don't get jagged edges. Keep it nice and smooth. Alright, and then I'm gonna try and edge it as best as possible with with my square that's just not able to get a really straight line because it's on top of the material itself. I pull out my old Black & Decker corded jigsaw that I got from my buddy James. Hooked me up when I needed a jigsaw. And now I'm gonna cut through it on the tape line to keep making sure. Let's make sure we have some support there with those wood panels, and do not cut through the new bench. Don't cut through the bench. Need a bigger hole to get the jigsaw in there. All right, here we go again. All right, well, we are now back in the living room, and yes, there it is. The socket fits, it looks good, and it is centered. All right, voila. Let's keep going. We're gonna screw this board to the counter, securing it, and just go to each board until we get them all affixed to the wall. And naturally, Peter had to get into the picture here at some point. I would just want to thank you very much for joining me on this trip. And thanks again. So if you would, like, subscribe, share with your friends. I appreciate you, and God bless.